How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. We have some big updates for Luna, and we might have a big dump in Luna by the time that you're watching this video. Now, I'll explain why that is, what you have to do to get these new tokens, the new Luna tokens, and how much you'll get and when you'll get it. We're also going to talk about why some people aren't buying Bitcoin right now and why they will be buying it in the future. So if you don't mind hitting the like button and subscribe button, I appreciate that. The market today is looking a little bit better. This morning it was looking worse with Bitcoin right around 28,000. It looked like it might form a descending wedge, and we still might see that. But right now we did get a bounce, and part of that is because the stock market is looking really strong today, about 2.85% up on the NASDAQ. Now, if you want to trade cryptocurrencies, there's a link down there to Kucoin. They're giving away $250,000 in Bitcoin for Bitcoin Pizza Day. They're one of the best places to trade Luna as well and some other cryptocurrencies, really low fee. So I will leave a link to this underneath the video. Now, I just wanted to bring that up because they now have trading back for Luna, and the Terra 2.0 proposal has officially passed. So a lot of people have been worried just over the last few hours, and I made a video on this earlier, a really short one, because a lot of their tokens have been taken away. Like, they're just gone from a lot of different accounts on Binance, on Kucoin, on Voyager, and that's because they were converted over to the LUNC token. So they had Luna, now it's LUNC. Now the new chain called Terra is going to be under the token Luna. So we will be getting airdropped Luna tokens. So this is how it breaks down. Pre-attack snapshot is from May 7. Post-attack is from pretty much right now, by the time you're watching this, May 26 and 19:59:51 hours UTC, which Eastern time is 3:59 p.m. So by the time that you're watching this, this is probably the post-attack snapshot. So that's when they will look at the holders of Luna. So you'll be eligible for the airdrop at the pre-attack snapshot if you held a Luna or less than 500K AUST or UST deposit on Anchor. So if you had that, great. And then the post-attack snapshot is Luna, again, like right now, and UST. So this is how you're going to get it. So if you have less than 10,000 Luna, you'll get 30% unlocked at Genesis, which is on the 27th. And then you'll get 70% vested over 2 years with a 6-month cliff. So that means you'll have to wait 6 months to start receiving it, and then you'll get it over 2 years. And then these other holders will get it over a lot longer period of time. So if you were a whale and you have 1 million Luna, then you would have a 1-year cliff and 4-year vesting thereafter. So you're going to have to wait a long time on some of this. This is going to be pretty interesting to see how this all goes down. Remember, it does happen very soon. We'll get the tokens hopefully over the next few days. It might take longer because of some of the exchanges having to work on this. A lot of them are working with Luna on this airdrop, but it will take time. Don't forget that. Now, Luna Classic, or Terra Classic, I should say, it is around a $1 billion market cap right now. I would not be surprised to see this dump off. Even if you're watching this now, I would not be surprised to see it dump off for the fact that some people have been holding just to get the new tokens, and they might want to exit now that the snapshot's taken and they know that they'll get their new tokens. Now, personally, I'm not going to touch it for right now. I'm not going to do anything with my tokens. I'm just going to wait to get the new tokens, see how it goes. But I would not be surprised if we lost a good amount of money. Remember, the Terra Classic will still have the UST, or the algorithmic stablecoin. The new Terra, or the new Luna, will not have the UST. So that's going to be the new chain that we all get the airdrops from, or a lot of us will get airdrops. Now, if you're trying to go in and buy Luna real quick, I think that's a bad decision because, like I said, you might be able to get more of the new tokens, but the fact is you might get dumped on right after you do it. So that's why I waited a little while to post this video, because I didn't want people to see this an hour before the snapshot. And of course, you can always do your own due diligence. You can always make your own decisions, but I didn't want everyone thinking that they had to go out and buy new tokens and then have the new tokens drop to them. And remember, if you have a lot of these new tokens, the fact is it will take a while to get them because there is a long cliff. There's a long vesting period. A lot of people aren't really used to that. Now, I think we have to remember that while a lot of different altcoins may fall over time and may go to nothing, Bitcoin is here to stay. That's my opinion, of course, but the main reason people don't buy Bitcoin is that they don't know enough about it. This is from Block Inc. survey. So that tells us a lot. First of all, that means that the general public doesn't really know that much about cryptocurrencies. They might have heard it, they might know that's a buzzword, but they have no idea what it is. And you can see that in mainstream media. It's starting to change a bit, but obviously people in media want to appeal to the masses, so a lot of the time they make fun of cryptocurrency. If you watch late night shows or something like that, they might make fun of the cryptocurrency crash or about Bitcoin or about how it's all just fake money. But over time that changes, and we can go watch videos of people making fun of computers and cell phones, right? That used to happen a lot, but the fact is, as people understand it better, or as they understand how to use it and the pros and cons, the general sentiment changes and people will buy into this. I mean, how crazy did people think it was to invest in the stock market? You know, towards the beginning of when it became publicly available, they thought either you should invest with an advisor or you should just keep your money underneath your sofa or underneath your bed, right? They didn't want to go invest because the fact is there's a lot of risk, but you have to realize there's more risk when you don't invest over a long period of time. And that's why I think Bitcoin is probably a good way to go. You should probably stay well diversified within stocks and real estate and cryptocurrencies and not just dump into one specific thing, because there is still an extreme amount of volatility and risk in one asset. That being said, I think the cryptocurrency market will do great over the coming years. And that is why, or that is one of the reasons why, because a lot of people just don't understand it. Michael Saylor says that the time to buy an asset is when the general public doesn't understand it and doesn't see the upside potential. So let me know your thoughts on all this underneath the video. Again, you can check out the link to Kucoin underneath the video. I appreciate it. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.